roomies, welcome back to my channel. I really apologize because it's been a long time since I posted a video on my channel. So today I finally posted something new. It's been very hard to get through this edit part, but guess what I did. I'm using my hair cream. I made this cream months ago. This is the only product that I've been using and it works for me, although I did add additional oils. It works for my hair and my hair grew and I am happy. This hair only cost me $10 and a few cents, and it has 6 packs inside. I only use 3. Yes, so let's watch how it gets done. Please don't forget to share, subscribe. Thank you so much.